Alright you guys, so I got a call. Warm case, 3 circuits, 1 condenser. I was watching, you could see the TXV crossed halfway, like it's restricted. That's really, there it goes. Cross cycle circuit come back. So I'm nerding out right now, but section down. 56. Oil pretty low. I've got really high superheating. Everything else though is getting close to 10, but I bet it's like it's all gone now. It's slowly getting liquid and then but before I go and adjust anything, I gotta check the charge. This was a new install condensing unit. So they probably undercharged it and then ran away. Alright you guys, got my hoses hooked up, finally. This hose, for some reason, I'm not a fan of these black hoses at all. It wouldn't depress the Schrader. I had to readjust it numerous times. I hate it. These things leak. MRP, come on man, get with the program. I hate having to redo the seals inside these. Anyway, let's take a look at our pressures. Wow. So we have 1.2 degrees of saturation and 90 degrees saturation on our liquid, which ain't got no subcooling. You see that? Alright. This thing is brand new from the factory. We're all ready. Right now, we're going by gravity, just letting the tank do its thing. I'm gonna feed it a little bit of ice. You know, sometimes you just want to make them happy. Let them have something to eat for a second. There we go. That'll work. So what I'm gonna do is, I don't even know how much gas is in. There can't be that much. I only charged 2 or 3 pounds and it's been leaking over the weekend. So we're gonna get this out. Hopefully it's all my gas. This should be fine. And we'll fire this thing up. Get that repaired. I'll see you in a minute. All right, so now here we are. Another step. We're at 0. We're gonna bleed off residual sandpaper. Pretty sure it's just this joint right here. You can kind of see somebody just didn't do any quality control. Anyway, gonna fix that up. Got ourselves some ice water now. All right, you guys. We just got done with the pressure test. It passed. In about a half hour, went and ate a sandwich, and now I love these units. Even though we had a tiny little defect, I like that we have some 3/8 ports here and some 1/4 inch. And when I'm done, I can just shut these off, put my cores back in. You know, I mean, these shouldn't leak. If they leak, I mean, I guess we'll find out. Got my micron gauge set up. Reading nothing right now. Gauges aren't even on. So let's turn this on and see what's happening.